Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! Vikings! It's the weekly close, bitch! Fellas. We need some energy in this bitch, alright? We got China, which is finally opening up tonight for the new week. We need them to get up in here on this weekly close, my friend. So I need everyone, before this stream starts, this is a very, very important weekly close, my friends. I need everyone to pop that like button. I need everyone to spam the swords and shields in the chat before we get started here today. And we're going to wake up China before the stream even starts today, my friends. Let's get busy. Hold up. Let's go! Spam the swords! Spam the shields! What's going on, fellas? Long time no see. We got the weekly close in this bitch. Come on! I need to hear it! What's going on, fellas? What's going on? What's going on, fellas? It's good to see everyone in here. We got a little pullback this weekend. I mean, can you call it a pullback? I don't know if you can actually call it a pullback. I guess it was more of a consolidation than a pullback, if anything. But holy shit, man. It was like the world was heading. I tried to stay off the charts a little bit this weekend, but I don't always tend to do that when the prices are going up. It's very, very hard Let me jump onto the stream here. Is it just me, guys? How hard is it to, when the market's going up, right? And you just need to tell yourself, listen, I'm taking today off from the charts. I'm not looking at the charts. I need to refresh my head. And then all of a sudden you start, you know the market's probably going up on your phone and you're like, shit, man, I'm checking the damn chart. And then you see green all over your trading view. And you told yourself, you're not trading today. You're not supposed to be checking the charts today. And what do? You hop on, you enter a trade, and you sort of go with it. But holy shit, man, that was me the whole weekend. I was like, dude, I need to take, after a very, very volatile week, I needed a break. But did I really take a break? Not really. Not really, my friends. Anyways, let's take off the Viking helmet here. And let's talk some charts, man. Is it over? Is the run over? I know all the little bears are going to look at the price action. Look at this price action, man. Does this price action look bearish to you? To me, I think we're coming for Savvy's head. I think we are coming for Savvy's head this week, and that is my personal opinion. I'm seeing callback calls everywhere. I'm seeing we're going to pull back. We're going to pull back. I mean, all the little bears that I hear over on Twitter, the pullback boys are back. Who are the pullback boys? Basically, every single time Bitcoin hits resistance, you hear this from this is the pullback boys. They're almost worse as the Doom boys here. We have to pull back now. Bitcoin's at resistance. There is bearish divergence. There is overbought RSI. There is also another double top. There's a double top in the chart. You see it? We have to pull back right here. We have to pull back. Oh, something tells me the shorts are about to get wrecked again. But let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, my friends. Elliot said, horse guy with the pullback. We actually did get a slight pullback today. I mean, it was really, really nice for a lot of altcoins. It allowed you to get some nice entries on some altcoins if you guys were paying attention today. But, let's talk some charts, because I know a lot of people are on edge going into this week. What's going to happen on the new week? Alpi said Bitcoin does not care. As of course, my man. How much do we know this? When Bitcoin is hot, Bitcoin doesn't give a shit about this indicator, that indicator, this, that, this, upside down, wiggly woo pattern, your jiggly jiggly Jew pattern, your symmetrical kangaroo pattern. It does not give a shit about that. But anyways, let's talk some charts anyway. We say Bitcoin doesn't care, but let's talk some charts. Oh man, I saw everyone up in this bitch. I saw DJ Flexa. I saw Clint. I saw Dan. Where's Mike? I need to see Mike in the chat, man. It's not the same without my guy, Mike Africa. I'm going to call him Mike Africa anymore, because that guy is fricka killing it with the trades out here in this bitch. All right. Let's see what we got for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin today, guys. Holy shit. Look at this thing. We came all the way back up on Saturday to about 23,300. If you go to the daily time frame, we actually got a little bit of a wick. You see this? The 786 retracement. We got, obviously, we got a little bit of headwinds at the 618. Now we're finding ourselves getting a little bit of headwinds at the 786. So it seems like almost we're just kind of stair-stepping, right? We hit one fib level, next fib level. Hold on, I got to turn the alert sounds back on, because I turned this off because of Franco and his L's. Hold on, let me turn those back on. Franco, I'm turning the alerts back on. If you come in with the L's again, I'm gonna mute it, my man. I'm gonna mute it, my man. All right. But anyways, now we're getting a little bit of headwinds, quote unquote, at the 786. Is it really headwinds? I mean, not really. I mean, I guess you can call it a speed bump. I guess it's a little bit of a speed bump today. But guys, I'm still looking for 25. Right around 25K. I still don't see why we don't test the top of the range, right? Usually, and this goes based off of, just based off of people that are much smarter than me. If you see a deviation, right? If you see you have lows, you break those lows and you deviate from those, you get back into the range, there is a very high probability that you come back up to the top of the range, which is up at 25K. So my thought process still remains the same, but that's not what we care about right now. We want to know what's going to happen right now. That's what we want to know, all right? That's what we want to freaking know. Don't listen to Becker. Becker's being a doom boy on Twitter right now. What's going on, guys? It's Becker. Yeah, guys, there's nothing bullish about this run. I'm only saying that because I missed the bottom. I missed the bottom. I was bearish at the bottom, just like 80% of people. Guys, yeah, there's no reason to be bullish right now. On Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're all going back down to 10K, guys. Especially Cardano. You Cardano holders need to get out of that shit coin, okay? Literally, that Cardano was an absolute piece of shit. I was going through the drive-thru, the McDonald's tomorrow, and the only people that I saw in McDonald's were Cardano holders, right? All the other Bitcoin, Ethereum holders, they were all at steakhouses out in this bitch, right? And honestly, the Cardano holders, they were just going through the McDonald's drive-thru, right? Because they're Cardano holders. Sell your Cardano, get out of Cardano. That's a shit coin, man. Anyways, I'm out. Becker's out. I got to go do some important shit and not look at shit coins. See ya. Shout out to my guy, Becker. Listen, a lot of people don't like Becker. Hey, Becker to me is, Becker's Becker, man. You just got to appreciate who Becker is, you know? Becker's a troll. Why do I like Becker? Because I'm kind of a troll too, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little bit of a troll. I'm a troll. Beta bearish at the bottom male. True. All right, so 22,737. I actually kind of like this Bitcoin price action, guys. This is your typical swing failure pattern. And if you know what a swing failure pattern is, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let me just move this up slightly. Here's your swing failure pattern, right? So basically, Bitcoin big range, right? You got the top of the range. Here's the opposite of the swing failure, right? Where you swing fail the top and you come back in, you come all the way back down to the bottom of the range. Now you got the opposite, right? Bitcoin has the low, you come back down, you slightly swing fail that low. You actually got a little bit of a tweezer bottom here, right? You little tweezers. I know Clint's gonna come out with a tweezer joke. Oh, now we're talking about nail clippers? I know Clint's gonna come in here and start saying, bro, are you serious? I thought we were doing TA. Now we're talking about clipping your toenails? What kind of tweezer bottoms we talking about? Yogi tweezer bottom is when this huge red candle goes up your ass. We're going into recession. Stop FOMOing, you freaking idiot Zoomers. All right, us Doomers, we're all in cash, and we're loving our cash right now. All right, but a little bit of a tweezer bottom. So you got a low, wicks on the bottom side, came back up, and you deviated, and you came back into the top of the range. Almost the exact opposite of what you did at the top, right? So now, what did we just talk about with the bigger term time frame swing failure patterns? If we break the lows and we come back in, we would expect a test at the top of the range. I look at this. I think Bitcoin comes and tests 23K again up here. What it does after that, we'll see, man. We got the stock market tomorrow. We got the DXY coming in tomorrow. Even though last week it didn't matter, right? Stock market kind of took a shit and Bitcoin decided to, what's the opposite of take a shit? I don't know. Throw up, right? Take a shit, comes out the bottom, you know? Throw up, comes out the top. I don't know. Bitcoin decided to throw up to the upside last week. But yeah, I don't mind Bitcoin's price action. I want to see it get back above the 30 EMA here, but not too shabby. Let's get a little more juice here. Let's get a little bit more juice up for BT Sizzle. My nizzle. You know what I'm saying? My whistle. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got said in here. Crypto Wolf said, "Let's go 24K. Let's freaking go 24K." I'm pumped, man. We need some more juice in the chat, man. Where's the juice? Come on. Let's freaking... I think we need to play a little bit of pump song right now just to get the juices flowing. I think that's what we need, my friends. Let's freaking go. Come on. Let's get some juice. Altcoins kill... A lot of altcoins did very well today, despite Bitcoin pulling back. James said, I got some juice for you. That sounds very, very wrong, James. I don't want your juice. I don't want your juice. I want nothing to do with your juice on the weekly close. You know what I mean? Tito Gaines with the super sticker. What's going on, Tito? Tito Gaines. You gaining out here, my friend? Nice job, man. Mike said, Jordan with another failed football prediction. Yeah, the Eagles kicked the Giants' ass, man. It was like 27-0 at the half. I was like, bro, I gotta retire from predicting sports. That's why I don't bet money on sports, because holy shit, I would be wrong every single time. I thought the Pats were going going to the playoffs. I was wrong. I said the Giants were going to beat the Eagles 38-7. Not even close. Oh man, you gotta love it. I was wrong. It is what it is. Shout out to the Eagles. I have nothing against them, even though they beat the Patriots in the Super Bowl once, but so did the Giants twice. So maybe, thank you, Eagles. Thank you, my man. I appreciate you. What does it mean, man? BTC going down? All right, so here's what I want to see short term. This level right here, I want to see Bitcoin break, right? So basically, see this level right here? This is the previous lows, You don't want to find a little bit of resistance right there, right? You want to see basically the reclaim. So if Bitcoin can get back up here, hold, okay, this level right here, that would be a good entry. But you want to see the reclaim of about 22,700 on a close, not no wicks. We just saw 2 wicks. So we want to see a little bit of a close above 22.3. Okay, hold here. Okay, and then that could get you back up to 23K. And potentially higher if it does. If you keep finding resistance right here and you start rolling back over, I don't know, man. Obviously, and that time, I still think you end up holding the lows, because Bitcoin just been going sideways on these consolidations, right? I mean, every time Bitcoin gets a red candle, what do you see on YouTube and on Twitter, guys? Right? Every single time. Okay? You see all the little crypto Twitter and YouTube guys saying, there's an imminent crash coming. There's literally an imminent crash coming. This move is so manipulated. So manipulated. Where's the money coming from? This is going to go back down. This is just manipulation by CZ. This is going to go back down. Oh my gosh. My favorite influencer is bearish. I will not buy. Just like I haven't bought from 16K and he's been bearish since 16K. I will still not buy because he is still bearish. I am still scared. Imminent crash is coming. Everyone in the world knows this, so it is going to happen. Since when has an imminent crash happened where everyone knows it's coming? I will not buy. I am too scared. And then Horse Guy's going to FOMO at 23K again. What do you know? Freaking Horse Guy, man. Freaking Horse Guy. He's always selling the lows. He doesn't want to buy the dips. He just wants to buy the pumps. That's what Horse Guy likes to do. Horse Guy never learns. He never learns, Mike. He never learns. He's not like us, where you buy support and you sell resistance. You know what I'm saying? He never learns. But hey, that's why he's Horse Guy. You can counter trade Horse Guy. And sometimes Horse Guy's right. Like on Friday, I think we pumped and Horse Guy was completely right in FOMO. You know what I mean? Anyways, Bitcoin over the daily time frame, you got a little bit of bearish divergence, but it's like you've had bearish divergence so many times on this run up, and this one's like pretty freaking extended out here. I mean, if you look here on the RSI, technically speaking, if you guys want the technicals, okay, you got higher high on the daily, you got lower high on the RSI, same thing on the stock RSI, right? So you have a little bit of lower high on momentum, higher high on price, which is your typical bearish divergence. Now, are we a fan of bearish divergence in a bullish trend? I don't know. You guys take it for what it is. I mean, I don't think it's an impossible feat that you see a pullback here. I really don't. I don't think it's impossible. But I will say it again. I mean, it's going to what we've been saying consistently. If you've been calling for a pullback, you've been wrong every single time. You know what I'm saying? Up until this point, I'm still not going to fight the trend. If the trend gives me, okay, we start breaking, we come to the 4-hour time frame, we start breaking the 30, 50 EMAs on the 4-hour time frame, all right, we start coming back down here, okay, then we look for some shorts. Until then, I mean, the trend is still up, sideways, right? So why am I going to fight the trend until the trend is broken? You know what I mean? Maybe that changed soon. I don't know. Some of you bears might be, and some of you bears might be still salty, right? You might be still salty, and here's what I'll say to you salty bears, okay? This might be your week for a little bit of redemption. Maybe. You salty bears are out there crying right now still, right? Echo chamber guys in shambles. Man, I was told a recession is coming. Everyone on Twitter is saying recession's coming. Now everyone's bullish. Everyone's bullish all of a sudden. But they're calling for a pullback. Okay, I know what I need to do. I need to wait for a pullback. It's going to pump a little bit more, then it's going to dump. Because that's what everyone on Twitter is saying. Pullback, pump, dump. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Just worry. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. It's coming. Everyone on Twitter is saying it. They're saying it. It's coming. Damn. This thing is so freaky. You would probably see this in your dreams so many times, my friends. Holy crap. Yo, man. He's in shambles. All right, that thing is so freaky, man. I think I'm gonna have nightmares with that thing in my dream. That thing is so weird. All right. Oh my God, man. I think even Crypto, who looks like he wouldn't be afraid of anything, even Crypto would be scared of that thing. He'd be going like this. NES, guys, NES. What the hell is this thing? NES, guys, NES. I am scared. I am scared of this monster. What is this monster? Get away from me. I cannot run. I have no shoes on. Stop spitting on my chest, monster. Stop spitting on my chest. Even Crypto would be scared of that thing. And that thing looked like he looks like he would freaking fight a turkey. And I wouldn't fight a turkey. Why? Because I'm scared of birds. You know what I'm saying? All right. Anyways, let's see what we got here, guys. Let's go back to it's tough to get out Bitcoin today because Bitcoin, man, if it can reclaim this 22.7 level, you could get a little juiciness up to the upside. All right, let's see what else we got. It was the weekly close. Now, I would say a very, very, very bullish close. Very, very bullish close. There was nothing bearish about the weekly close today, right? Very girthy, right? Not as girthy as last week. Obviously, that was the biggest weekly candle since 2021. The chances you do that twice in a row are very, very slim. But you got another nice, girthy, right? No really big wicks on either side. You got a little wicks, but not really anything. Just a nice, clean weekly candle, right? There's nothing really bearish about that candle. Now, where you did close on the weekly is you did still close below this all-time high resistance line, right? So you got 1, 2, 3. I was begging and hoping you were going to get a close above that. You didn't do it. So we have to wait another week for that, unfortunately. It is what it is. It is what it is. And you guys know I am going on vacation on Wednesday this week, okay? And just know that Bitcoin typically dumps when I go on vacation. We also have the FOMC meeting coming up on February 2nd. Just know there's a lot of shit coming up. But here's the deal, okay? What did I want to see? I want to see a full girthy weekly close above the bull market support band, which we can call it the support band because we are above it. We wanted to see a full weekly candle above it, and we did see that full weekly candle above that. So, cha-ching, bada bing, bada boom.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Let me do a quick poll real quick, by the way, guys. I'm still seeing a sentiment on Twitter, right? So I'm obviously from the typical moon boys, like I'm seeing a lot of bullishness. But from the traders that I watch, I'm still seeing a lot of disbelief right now. I'm still seeing all of them calling for pullbacks at every single freaking level. What does that tell me? Okay, that tells me that a lot of them were looking for 14K. It is what it is. It is what it is. But I'm still seeing a lot of sentiment calling for a pullback on every single resistance. Now, at some point, Bitcoin's going to get a pullback, right? It's not going to go up like a freaking hedgehog. You know what I mean? It's not going to turn into a damn werewolf and go to 69K until March. Shout out to Alpy in the chat, man. I am Bitcoin. I am going to go to 70K by March because that is Alpy's prediction. We will never see 19K again. We will never see 16K again. So get ready, Moon Boys. The Doom Boys are the new Moon Boys now. All right, so I don't know what I was doing there, guys. I was getting a little off topic there. But where is the Savvy line? Okay, I want to make sure we're always keeping a track of Savvy line because Savvy said it'll flip bullish above this white line right here. This is the 55-week EMA. It is currently at 25,600. If we clear that, we get the biggest of the bears flipping bullish. Now, imagine the salt if Bitcoin does this. Comes up above that, gets a weekly close, right? Everyone and their mother's bullish. Comes back for a pullback, right? Flips bearish again, and then comes back up again. Oh, man, that would be absolutely unbelievable. And I think that's actually pretty likely. But let's see. All right, Bitcoin, man, is struggling with this 30 EMA right now, my friends. Really struggling with this little 30 EMA. All right. Anyways. A couple more things in the longer term charts. We did get the hash ribbons buy signal. Every single one of these signals has always been a good buy signal, at least for the medium term, right? Now, I know what you guys are going to say, you little trolls. Man, we're going to get bullish because of blue dot. A friggin' blue dot. This is like BitBoy's 23-hour green dot last bull market. Friggin' Christ, man. A blue dot. Ha. I can draw a blue dot. Now, not very well. It'll probably be a triangle. But, listen. How can we get bullish off one freaking blue dot? Listen, Bob. That 23-hour green dot was super, super bullish. Okay? So you can get out of my chat. Get out of my chat. Get out of my chat, Bob. TJ, can you get this idiot Bob out of my chat? Get him out of here. This guy is literally a freaking imbecile. He's super low IQ. He probably has an IQ of a snail. Get him out of here. But no, you did get that hash ribbon spy signal. Every time that's happened, at least for the medium term, that has been a pretty good freaking signal. I mean, you guys bring this up on your own chart. It's called the hash ribbons. Go look it up. Basically, when the miners they capitulate, right? And then basically when they're profitable again. So you did get that buy signal. Once again, it's the first one on the weekly time frame in this bull market, which is typically used for. I'm not gonna fight that, right? I am not gonna fight that, and most people will. Let's see, yo, ETC guy, where's it going? ETC? We'll check out a little bit. ETC. What's Bitcoin doing right now? Ooh, Bitcoin's flirting with the 30 EMA. Here we go, my friends. I think we need a little juice right now. Bitcoin's flirting with the 30 EMA. Here we go. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on. Pump it, boy. Pump that shit. Come on, spam the sushi in the chat. Give me that sushi. We go up straight from here. Yeah, right around 23K. Come on. Pump that shit. Oh, man. We have a good time in here, man. We have a good freaking time in here. I will say. I have so much fun streaming every single day, man. Especially when the market is nice like this. It is so fun. Appreciate you guys. It wouldn't be fun without you. It wouldn't be fun without you guys spamming sushi in the chat. Or swords and shields. Let's get busy. Psycho Pro said, let's look at Axie Papa. Papa! You guys are weird today. Call me Papa. Someone else said they want to get juicy. You guys are being super weird today, man. Maybe it's just the green. The green is giving you some goggles. I don't know.
Look at Axie
I think I look kind of disheveled today.
Rich bros.
I look a little bit disheveled, but that's okay because there's green candles. All right. Man, we got some good stuff. And one more thing on the Bitcoin long-term charts, then I'm done ranting about the long-term charts, guys. Everything that I was looking for is played out, okay? Not enough people give me credit for this. The bull market support band, we were saying that it was going to get back above that in the middle to end of January, and boom, bitch, boom. We were spitting on the face, right? I think it was exactly 85 weeks before the halving. Exactly 5 more weeks before the previous one. Boom, bitch. We nailed that shit. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Anyways, the 2-week MACD also flipping over was the second thing I was looking for. We confirmed that. We confirmed that right here on this close. And we did get these 2-week stock RSI back above the 20 level, which has never had a false signal as far as Bitcoin going on a good sized run. So once again, all my signals are there on the charts. Now, obviously, macro, macro this, macro that, everything's still the same. Listen, nothing's changed for the macro, but markets are forward looking, right? Let's see what happens. Maybe this is a little bit over exuberance. We'll see. But always remember, markets are forward looking. Everyone thought 2023 was going to be a bad year. We'll see, right? We'll see. When has everyone been right? I will answer that.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Nope.
Oh, man. JP Morgan's bearish, guys. That's why we should sell all our crypto at 16K. JP Morgan is bearish. Do the opposite of what JP Morgan says. They were saying Bitcoin was going to 20K when it was at 60K. You know what I'm saying? Like, do the opposite of what JP Morgan says. Anyways, let's see. All right, enough ranting. Let's go check out ETH. Oh, come on, ETH. ETH almost came up and made a new high today. That was pretty dope. But I guess ETH, man, ETH's still at this like local high right here. Look at that move up for ETH, man. That's pretty nuts. Like when you zoomed in. But right here, you're still at that local high. So you're struggling with that little level, right? I mean, we're just going to do the basic next level there. I mean, we're looking for 1,800. And if we look at the short-term time frames, oh, come on, peek your little head over that 30 EMA, baby. We got 30 minutes until the hourly close. I want to see that close above here. And then all of a sudden, kind of the same deal. You got sort of, I kind of like this little hourly chart, no? You got your low, rise, retrace, second low. Looks kind of sexy. Came back down, took the specter candle here. I kind of like that. I like that a lot, if you know what I'm saying, baby. 4-hour stocks are resetting. That's nice. That's real nice. And you got this big wick on the 4-hour right here. So either way, I think you come and tag that wick, whichever way you're looking at it, right? So I think ETH has still got some short-term upside here. Let's see what we got. Bitcoin. Oh, my God. Bitcoin has no chill, man. Bitcoin has no chill. Oh, man. That's crazy. Every single time. I mean, listen, every single time we keep expecting a pullback and it just keeps it keeps doing these swing failure patterns. We're coming below, right? Probably getting everyone to panic sell on this candle right here. Oh my God, this is the pullback. And then it whips back into the range. And then it just kind of does this, right? That's literally been the game plan since the lows. It's up, sideways. Oh, let's fake everyone out, come back into the range, close back in the range. Right? Maybe diddle around for a little bit and then come up again. Let's see what happens. We'll see what happens, my man. Alpy said 65K by March. Alpy, we're still very far from that, my man. I will continue to hound you. If Bitcoin starts getting to 30K, 40K, okay, I will seriously start paying attention to your prediction, Alpy. And listen, I want nothing more than you be right. Imagine Bitcoin at 69K by March. Imagine I think most people will be mad. That's the funny part about that. If Bitcoin went to 69K by March, I think most people would be so salty and pissed off. That would be horrible. Not for me. Like that would be horrible. People would be so salty, right? What the hell? How did Bitcoin just pump? We're supposed to be going into a recession. I didn't buy any because I was waiting for 14K. Oh my Lord. Everyone told me it was going to 14K. Like everyone told me it was going to 100K in 2021. What the hell, man? Why do I keep listening to these idiots? Oh my God, man.
We love you, Nana.
Bunch of
you
doom
will be
boys.
remembered forever. Smile with a halo.
We will be sweet. 2022 is the year of the bull trap, and 2023 is the year of the bear trap. Interesting, man. That's an interesting take. I kind of like your take. Wayne came out and said, we love you, Nana. You will be remembered forever. Wayne, who's Nana? Wayne, I'm going to assume that's one of your family members. Shout out to Nana. I think we need to do a little bit of a strike for Nana here. We need to take Nana's spirit and we need to put it right into Bitcoin and Ethereum, my friends. And we're going to check out some altcoins coming up in a second. But I think we need to put the spirit into Bitcoin for Nana. All right? Shout out to Nana. I don't know who Nana is, but shout out to Nana. Okay? Everyone wants to come do it. Oh, can I give a shout out to Nana too? Come on. Can I give it the shout out to Nana too? Oh, shut up! Freaking Christ, Crypto Rover. Get the hell out of here. No one cares about you. Get out of here, Rover. No, you can't join in on the fun. You're freaking weird, man. Get out of here. Freaking Rover, bro. Oh my God. All right, yeah, let's party, Jordan. Let's party. Let's celebrate Nana. Not with Rover, though. He's weird. All right. Anyways, shout out to Nana. Let's freaking get busy. Let's give some energy in the chat. Come on. Here she comes. She's the biggest bull. She's about to stick those horns right up Bitcoin's ass and carry it to the promised land. Oh man. All right. enough of that. All right. So ETH, ooh, we're getting a little movie on ETH. We're getting a little movie. Josh, what's up, buddy? Incognito. John West always in here. I love John West. It's such a good name. It's such a sexy name. John West. You should be an actor, and I don't even know who you are. You should be an actor in Hollywood just because your name is John West. Like that is the most basic but great Hollywood name there is. Let's see. Fahid say gungo. Gungo, Fahid, gungo. All right, anyways. Let's check out some alts. What do we got in some altcoins? I know altcoin. Dude, there was... Phantom is going absolutely nuts. And I guess I can call myself a little bit of a Phantom bottom dweller, man. But Phantom has been going freaking berserk here. Shout out to everyone that's scooped up some Phantom at the lows here. I think Phantom is a very, very underrated project, man. I do. And I think Phantom had got a little bit of a bad rap last year from a couple of different things that happened. But I think Phantom could be a juicy play here. It just came up to resistance. So obviously, don't be one of those guys that comes in and goes, I am George. We're all George. Today, guys, we're going to talk about Phantom after not talking about it for a year. And we're going to talk about how I think now Phantom is one of the best layer 1 projects out there. Okay? So stick on. I'm going to tell you exactly why. And no, guys, it's not because Phantom is going absolutely nuts to the upside. All right? Now, that's all I have to say. Phantom going up. Let's do some Q&A. Anyways, Phantom obviously right at resistance right now. Don't be careful at the highs, okay? But, on a pullback or whatever, I think Phantom could kill it. I mean, you could say it's pulling back. Daily stocks are actually reset and bottoming out a little bit. A little bit of bearish divergence on the daily, okay, whatever. But, man, I mean, I look at this bigger, longer-term trend. I mean, this was such a value area here for Phantom. that was unbelievable. I was a little bit of a bottom dweller on Phantom, man. I guess you win some, you lose some, But
Let's
Phantom,
play Pump Song and we will hit 23.4K fast.
Let's pump the pump song. We will hit 23.4K fast. Oh, we're flirting with breaking that 30 EMA. We're flirting with it. We got 24 minutes into the close though. So Phantom 52 cents. I think could be in play. I'll probably screw if Phantom somehow comes back to take these vector candles down here at like 26. I'll probably add some Phantom. I don't already need Phantom. I'm a little bit salty. I will be honest, right? I'm going to join the bears here that missed out on the pump, okay? I'm going to join the zoom outers, right? For all the little bears that are sitting here going, zoom out, bro, zoom out. Do you see the bigger trend? We're still in a downtrend. Zoom out, bro. I'm going to join the little bit of salty bears here, okay? And say I'm a little salty that I didn't get some Phantom. But that's okay. That's okay. There's always a time for a pullback, all right? But even though it hasn't pulled back since really all of this year. But, yeah. So 52 cents. I like it. Obviously, you got a massive pump up today. obviously consolidating now. During times like this, it's sometimes it's hard for calling for massive pullbacks because you keep doing it, it just doesn't happen, you know? So once again, I'd wait for a 30 and 50 EMA, you know, probably go sideways here for a little bit. Whoop, 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 whoop. Comes up, tags these again. Whoop, 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 whoop. Probably test the highs, you know? But phantom, not too bad. All right, BTC, here we go, 22,800, slowly making its way back up. So look at Bitcoin. This was the classic tweezer bottom. I cut my toenails today, right? Bitcoin was dropping down here, the 22,300. I took my big foot. You guys always make fun of my small foot, okay? I took both my feet. I clipped all my toenails. And what did I do? You got the tweezer bottoms. Swing failure pattern. You crack the first support. You crack the second support. Now, we make our way back up. 23K. Come on, 23K.
Weekly candle already closed on Binance.
Weekly candle already closed on Binance US. Oh, yeah. Envy. We talked about the weekly close. Super bullish weekly close. I mean, it was a girthy candle, right? I mean, it's just your typical bullish candle. I mean, it's pretty much all candle body. It's green. I mean, there's not really much to say. Other than that, I was hoping for a close above this wick. You didn't quite get it, but to me, I don't see anything stopping Bitcoin to come up to 25K at this point, right? I just don't. It's hard for me to look at this and be bearish at this chart other than saying, okay, you got some daily bearish divergence. Okay, I mean, you've had bearish daily divergence the whole way up, bro. Of course you do. You know? Anyways, guys, CZ. Don't fade CZ. Before we jump on some more altcoins here, do not fade CZ. CZ came in. Guys, and if you keep fading CZ, bro, he's going to come out here and keep destroying your ass, okay? And this goes for all the super uber bulls out there. This goes for all the horse guys, all the fajids, okay? Especially the fajids. Don't F with CZ, okay? He said in bull markets, adopt risk management. Don't FOMO. CZ is undefeated. I'm telling you. Look at his word choices here. In bull markets. Don't FOMO. Very importante. Don't put all your investments in one single coin. He's probably saying, don't put it all in Bitcoin. Not financial advice. And every time he's put this, you don't fade CZ, man. We'll see what happens. No, seriously. Since like June, CZ's been putting these little feelers out there, man. He puts these tweets where he says not financial advice, and if you go back and look at all the tweets he's put in not financial advice, he's called like every single move to a T. Makes sense. I mean, he's one of the biggest crypto whales out there. He can manipulate the market the way he wants. Don't fade CZ, man. That's all I say. I found out that CZ Binance owner purchased Veracity. Oh, really? I like Veracity. I used to own some Veracity back in 2021. I don't anymore. But interesting project back then. I haven't heard much about it since then, though. I mean, really, you don't really hear too much about really any altcoins unless you're really digging deep, besides the higher cap ones, you know? Let's see, ETH. Ooh, ETH looks like it's setting up the God candle here, man. ETH just looks like it's set. Can anyone else, look or manifest the God candle that may be coming for ETH back up to the highs here? I can already see it. I visualize it. I literally visualize the candle right now in my head, my friends. Okay? It's in here, right? It's stored in my head. Let's see. CZ wrote the song, said Be Water. I don't know if he did, man. That would be pretty dope, though. Imagine you have a song written by CZ. That would be pretty freaking dope. All right, what else we got? Somebody asked over here. 25. Oh, Axie. Let's look at Axie for Psycho. Psycho Pearl. He's the biggest psycho I know. Woo! Nice, man. I think Axie needs a little bit of pumpage, no? Axie Infinity. Let's go to the 4 hour. Woo! That one's a, wow. That was a freaking quick move up. Holy guacamole. Axie killing it. Holy guacamole on Axie. Look at that bad boy. That thing got sent. Woo, man. That thing, 2 days ago, that thing was at $8. It got sent to 14. Holy shit. That's a pretty crazy move, man. Let's look left over here. I mean, honestly, we keep looking left on some of these things, and that's like, that's the beauty of when the market is nice, is like, you're back up to a critical level here, though.
This has never happened in Bitcoin history. Just missed prior to last bull market.
Right here. I got you. I'll take, Brian, I'll take a look, my man. Appreciate that, dude. And who else put in there? KC. I got you on XYO. Shout out to KC. KFC Casey in the chat and friggin' forever. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this previous range support back in June and July, now flipping is a little bit resistance. Am I confident is that holding as resistance? I don't know, man. I mean, these altcoins have been smashing through resistance left and right, you know? Obviously, once again, you're forming a little... Oh, this one doesn't have bearish divergence, actually. This one's good. But the daily stock's still pointing up. You probably have like... Yeah, look at the 12-hour just pointing straight up. 8-hour still pointing up. I mean, you're at resistance, but this one's still got some juice based off the indicators, you know? So, indicators are indicators. But at the same time, are you going to fade? Are you going to fade this? I don't know. I don't see how you fade this either. You know? It's tough to fade something that pumped 100% in a day.
I highly believe metaverse projects are 2023 rocket.
You believe metaverse projects are 2023? I don't know, man. The talk of the town has been the AI projects, right? Here's all I hear in my house right now. Bob, the highest performing coins, I like to short them. Yeah, Fetch AI. I'm gonna short Fetch. Yeah, don't worry. I've only gotten liquidated twice on shorting Fetch. I think I'm gonna keep shorting it. That's the new hot coin right now. Why would you keep shorting the best performing asset? Why would you do that, Bob? Jabba, are you serious, man? Stop shorting that. You're gonna keep getting wrecked, bro. You're gonna keep getting wrecked. Oh my god. Yeah, Jabba. Bob is right. Bob is right. You FOMO at bull markets. You do not short in bull markets. We are in a bull market. We are not in a bear market anymore, you fatty. Okay? We are in a bull market. Bull market is for no Chinese, only FOMO. Oh, man. But, yeah, I mean, this one, I guess you still... I mean, I still like this. You see this wick up here that never got taken? At 28? Seems far away. I don't think it's going to seem far away for very long. But, yeah, 24 to 28. You still got that little wick up there. I think it could come take that wick. It's looking pretty juicy. Could see a pullback first. Like I said, you're at big resistance here. But eventually on the daily, let's see. Look at that little wick up there. Fetch another L. Let's see. Nuno is salty. Nuno, why are you salty, man? Don't be salty, Nuno. There's no reason to be salty right now. We're all having fun. We're all having fun enough. This is the fun time in crypto. You know what I mean? This is the time we all have fun, and we all have a smile on our face during this time. Yeah. How could you not? How could you not? I open up my phone and everything's green every damn day, right? You open up this is the time in the market where you open up your phone. Every day you're expecting a pullback when you wake up. And every day, everything's green again. You know, every single day I wake up. Oh, Bitcoin probably pulled back. It was looking a little bearish last night. Let's see. Oh, look, it's up. You know, it's up a little bit. All coins are up 10% again. Oh, nice. It's about where we're at. It's about where we're at. Let's see. Brian said the 50 closed to 200 on the weekly time frame. It's never happened in Bitcoin's history. I know everyone's talking about this death cross, right? This death cross, right? That all of a sudden is going to come and blow us all out into death, right? We're all going to start turning into ghosts. Oh, the death cross. The death cross. Oh, my Lord, we're all going to die. The death cross is coming. Yeah, so you got your 200 moving average. Guys, be careful of death cross here. 200 moving average coming down. 50 moving average. Oh, no, this is the 200. This is the 50, I think. Hold on one second. Let me make sure. Yeah. So you got your 50 and the 200 coming down like this. Okay? So I believe you're saying this is the first time in history that those will cross, which I believe is true. Let me just double check that. Yeah, you almost got it there in 2015. But what did you do? See, this is where it gets interesting. Right before they crossed, what did you do? You got a massive pump that made them not cross. Now, even if they do cross, do I think it's like oh my God, the death cross on the weekly? I'm not sold on it. I'm not completely sold. I'm not a big fan of crosses. I'm really, really not. Because it's a lagging indicator. All it's telling you is the market's been bearish, right? So the 50's coming down faster than the 200's coming up, right? That's all it tells me. But I know a lot of people will look at this and say, "Oh my God, we're gonna turn into ghost." But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Does the market move up quick here so they almost cross and they don't? We'll see. We'll see, right? If this pumps over the 50 in the next couple weeks, these ain't gonna cross, or they'll probably just like touch each other, and then the 50 will start to curl, right? But we'll see. We'll see. Let me get rid of this. I'm not sold on that, man. I'm not. Didn't know Jordan what. You guys, don't make that joke, man. It's a ghost. God damn. It's not that. It's a damn ghost. You guys got some dirty heads in here. Trying to spread FUD. Don't be spreading FUD on my channel. Okay? Don't be spreading FUD. All you Karens coming in the chat. Johnny, are you serious? That's not a ghost. You freaking Karens. Get out of here. All right, Bitcoin get a little bit of a move below the 30. Now it's coming back above. 10 minutes into the hourly close. I want to see an hourly close above the 30 EMA. ETH, the same thing. ETH is just holding. ETH is just holding that green candle up there. Come on, ETH. You know you want to do it, my man. My number one holding. Oh, yeah. So happy. I'm so happy, ETH. Come on. Send it. Ugh. Guys, today I had to go get a fitting. So I have a wedding coming up, and then you get custom suits and shit. I had to go get fitting for it today at Men's Warehouse. Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you this. I feel sorry for you guys that have to get like a new suit all the time. Man, I'm not a big suit guy. You know, I always make fun of suits, right? I always make fun of suits. I think people who wear suits just because they're a little bit choosy, it's just my opinion. Just my opinion. You guys might not disagree. If you have to wear it for work, it's a little bit different. But if you do it in your house for no reason, a little bit cheesy. You guys that wear suits all the time, I feel bad. But those things are freaking ridiculous. It's like a shirt, but it costs like freaking ridiculous amount. Absolutely ridiculous, man. Ridiculous.
Rant alert.
That's my rant about suits. That's my rant about suits. Anyways, whenever I see someone in suit, I think they're trying to sell me something. So I'm instantly on guard. All right. Anyways, let's see what we got, which actually is very true. You ever seen anyone in a suit who's not trying to sell you something?
Nope.
All right. What do we got for alts here? I sleep with suits? You sleep with suits? You dirty bastard. You would probably sweat your ass off in the summertime. I feel bad for you, my man. Actually looks like it's going again. Holy Lord. DYDX is coming up again. Let's see. Oh, come on, GMT. Give me a little juice. I need to get GMT back up to $1 here. Be very, very happy. Come right up here. Right there, baby. Let's see. Suits in the house? Who did that? Don't get me started. All right. Anyways, ETC. All you guys were making fun of me on ETC. ETC. You gotta have patience with some of these altcoins, my guys. Look at ETC. It's the same pattern again. The same pattern. Look at it. Big downtrend of resistance on the daily. You break up to the upside. Oh, what do you know? Big downtrend of resistance on the daily. To the exact same point, you pump back up. All right, you got, some of you guys, I think it was Fahid. Fahid was coming at me saying, oh, Jordan said ETC was going to pump. He said it was going to pump and it's dumping right now. What the hell, man? I have no patience. He told me it was going to pump and now it's dumping. Oh my God, why don't I long? All right, patience. ETC pumps up, comes back, retests previous highs. Now it's about to go on liftoff again. I think ETC is about to come up to 27 here after a nice little beautiful retest here on ETC. Love the energy, Jordan. This is why I watch you. Shout out to Dennis, man. Shout out to Dennis. I appreciate you loving the energy. Do we need to be? Does Bitcoin need some energy right now? Bitcoin. It needs a little bit of energy right now, I think. I think it just needs a tad bit of energy. So you know what we're going to bring out here? Hold on.
Love the energy, Jordan. This is why I watch you.
That's actually super nice of you, Dennis. I honestly, I'm about to cry now. I'm about to cry, Dennis. Dennis.
Said
I love you, man.
To be in the hundreds of thousands for death cross not to happen.
I love you.
Doomed. Lol.
I don't know what I would do without you. Man. Gala's pumping, but I don't even care. All right. Let's get up this. Let me get this. Oh. There we go. Bring out Jordan the Moon. Jordan the Moon, man. That picture was awesome, man. Jordan the Moon. Oh, fat Jordan looks like Carl the Moon. Come on, Gala. Let's go to the 4 hour on Gala. I know we've all been patiently waiting for Gala here. Gala, man, it's been going sideways for a week, right? This has been a nice little consolidation here for Gala. It's been going sideways. I like this quick buy up, right? You got the last 4 hour candle, you came back to the 50 EMA, got bought right back up with a little bit of follow through here. We need to see Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin, give me a little juice. Gala just needs a little bit of push. Push it up the scale. Who's in Gala right now, guys? Let me know. If you're in a Gala long or you just own Gala and want it to pump, let me know in the chat. But God, it's been consolidating for a week while everything else has been moving. But you gotta understand, Gala was going nuts 2 weeks ago. Could it be another time for Gala? Because if you look at the daily stocks, completely bottomed out now. That's just beautiful, right? 12 hour. Oh, it's starting to point back up. 8 hour. You got all the bigger term time frames starting to point back up for little old Gala here. I think Gala could have a good week this week. And I'm still, right? Patience is the key. Still looking at 6.9, no pun intended, to 70 cents. Or 7 cents, not 70. Holy shit. Imagine 70 cents. Holy shit. Everyone owns Gala now. It's turning like the Gala channel back in the day. Let's go. Got my Gala moon bag. Nice. Nice. All right, we got 4 minutes, dude. Come on, Bitcoin. Give me a little bit more juicy of a close than that. You're being a little bit of a staller here, my friend. What's the rest of the market looking like? DXY, obviously it just opened, so I'm not going to take this into too much. Ooh, DXY dumping already. Down about 0.2% already. That's a big move for it just opening 2 hours ago. DXY, will the DXY break the lows this week? That would be super juicy. Stock market futures are also slightly red. So you got slightly red stock market futures. DXY actually dumping tonight. Very interesting going into tomorrow, my friends. Very interesting. And we know that the S&P last week closed. Very bullish candle that closed the week last week. And that's a big reason why you saw Bitcoin have that move up last week at the end of the week. S&P bounced right up the 0.5 retracement. Now the S&P back pretty close to this trend line again for the fourth time in the last 2 months. Can this be the time where the S&P finally breaks out? Come on, man. We need to give the S&P some energy right now. I think we do it. That's what really needs the energy right now, my friends. The S&P needs the damn energy. All right? Let's bring it. All right. It's time for some good music, not Jordan's shitty music. Every song that Jordan plays is shit. All right, ready? Get ready for my strong. We're gonna get the S&P pumping tomorrow, guys. Let's freaking go. I want everyone in the chat to spam Bob. Spam Bob in the chat. I need everyone's hype in here right now. Time to pump it. Let's go.
Look at me, take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting
Yeah.
stronger. Hey yo, the mirror don't lie.
Mirror don't lie.
Hey yo, the mirror don't lie.
Yeah, the mirror don't lie.
Take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting stronger.
Yeah, I'm strong.
Hey yo, the mirror don't lie. If you want the truth,
Yeah, I'm sexy.
we got our back against the wall, we gotta fight back. I need a theme song, this the right track. I ain't got no cape or no superpowers. Just confidence.
Smack up the lights, bitch.
The world is ours. I believed in me when nobody did. This ain't no freestyle, just some facts. This.
I love Rapper Bob, man. Imagine being new to the stream and coming in here right now. Oh my lord! Imagine being new and seeing an idiot rapping. Oh man. All right, we get. I think that's the energy that the S&P needed going into tomorrow. Let's get it. DXY, keep dumping, you little bitch. You little Bob talking S&P. We're effed. We're effed, man. If Bob knows what's gonna happen, we're effed. All right, let's check out DYDX is getting a move up here. Good decentralized exchange play. This one's been kind of an oscillator of the bear market too, right? You got lows to highs, lows to highs, lows. Right? Just based off the trend, you expect DYDX to come up to the highs. Let's not make it too, crazy. I mean, it's been the oscillator of the bear market, right? Bitcoin tops, Bitcoin bottoms every time. But yeah, 270 on DYDX eventually. Not gonna go straight up there. Don't be a pansy. Don't be a pencil neck that comes in tomorrow and says, "Oh, DYDX is down 2% today. What the hell, man?" All right? Don't be a pencil neck in the chat. You should do a video clip of Rapper Bob. You gotta love Rapper Bob, Wes. It's nothing better than Rapper Bob. You know what I'm saying? All right, Bitcoin closed below the 30 EMA. I would have liked a better close than that. But we were able to reclaim these low, this low here, which I think is actually more important than that. Let's see if we can get a little move up here now. Ethereum did get a close back above 30 EMA, so that's a good sign, at least in the short term. Let's see if we get that little candle up on ETH after getting a nice little W formation, right? Low, high, low. Just simply looking for probably back up to the range highs here on Ethereum. What else we got? All right, you guys said some other shit in here. Some other shit. Let's look at the shit coins. Nothing better than shit coins, man. It's okay. Some people like get this like common narrative. It's like
Rant alert.
he's calling my altcoin a shit coin, right? And okay, yes, I would argue 90% of altcoins are shit coins, but you can make money off them, so you gotta love the shit coins. XYO. Look at this thing, man.
You should do a video clip of rapper Bob tears of joy rolling on the floor laughing.
XYO. This one looks like it is. I mean, it's a symmetrical triangle. I mean, roll the dice, roll your dice, go to the casino. You'll know which way this is going to break out. But it at least tells you which way, or like when you should expect to move, and you probably should be expecting to move tomorrow on this, right? I mean, this like you get lower highs, higher lows on the daily. I would expect a bigger size move tomorrow. I mean, I look at this and I say, okay, daily, not quite bottomed out there. Let me actually zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. Just a little bit. All I need is a little bit. Look at that. Beautiful symmetrical triangle. That's actually kind of beautiful. I love when it's like beautiful like that. It's kind of sexy. It's like, don't you love when a pattern is just, it's sexy? Doesn't tell you much, but it's sexy. Right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Probably should expect to move by tomorrow. Which way does this break? I mean, if you go based off the technicals, that you do expect a continuation of the trend. Trend is up. Okay. You would expect to break to the upside, technically speaking. We're just going based off the technicals. Let me actually look left on the daily. Let me see what we got over here. Yeah, I mean, I think this breaks to the upside still. And because I see this wick. This wick looks juicy. You see this wick? So we had this wick. They came up, tagged that wick. Look at that perfect tag of that wick. I think they break it up and they come and take this wick now. I think they're going to come take this little wick at 1.3 cents. Give me that. Give me that juicy old wick. We love wicks over here for XYO. We love those wicks. Who doesn't like wicks? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, Sats said, what bull market support band are you using, Jordan? The one I've got up is still a way off, around 25,050.
Nitrogen monoxide.
This is...
On the floor, laughing tears of joy. Rolling on the floor, laughing tears of joy.
Rolling on the floor, laughing. I love the emojis, man. Rolling on the floor, laughing. Rolling on the floor, laughing. Rolling on the floor, laughing. This is the bull market support band, but there's two of them, right? You got the bull market support band 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, and then you got the other one, which is the 50-week SMA and the 52-week EMA. You can use either one, but basically I don't have the second one up because that's the savvy line. Basically 25,700, which is the 55-week EMA. That's the savvy line, and that's the level that I'm looking to. I want to just smack that line so bad. I want to come up there and just smack it. If we get a pullback after that, my deal is done. My deal is done. All I want to freaking see is this video, guys. This is all I want to see. What's going on, guys? It's Savvy. Yeah, guys. So Bitcoin has gotten back over the 55-week EMA. I know I did say that I was going to flip bullish if we got back above the 55-week EMA, but I'm still bearish, okay? I'm going against what I said. I am still bearish. Nothing has changed. I'm still not bullish, and I'm going to continue laddering in my shorts, okay? I will continue laddering my shorts. I'll probably ladder them all the way up to 30K at this point, and next time I will be bullish if Bitcoin breaks back above the 30K level. That's when I'll get bullish. You know what I mean? All right. Anyways, let's see. Bitcoin's pumping. I wouldn't call it pumping. I definitely wouldn't call it that. Oh, come on. We got ETH. Come on, BTC. You know you want to come back up to 30K. Ugh. Come on, man. Alts are coming alive again. You gotta love when alts come alive again. You gotta love it. GMT's getting that move up. Come on, GMT.
Fetch AI, please, Jordan. Short.
I love how it said my name. Jordan! Fetch AI, Jordan. Look at Fetch AI. Fetch AI has been a freaking animal, bro. Like, there's been no stopping Fetch AI. Every single time Fetch AI gets to a resistance, it's just like, it's honestly, it's like the government's printing a stimmy. You know what I mean? Basically, Fetch AI, every time it hits a resistance, basically, the government is printing a stimmy, giving it to Jimmy, you know? What's going on? I'm Jimmy with a $500 stimmy. I just got a new stimmy. I'm going to throw it in Fetch AI because I'm bullish on Fetch AI. I'm bullish on the whole crypto market. I told you guys the bull market was back. You didn't believe me. I've been locked away. The bears have locked me away. I am in the psycho chamber. But I told you guys, no, they still have me here. I got to escape. The bull market's back, guys. Don't listen to the bears. Don't listen to 8K. No. But, basically that's what it meant. GMT. Man, GMT is still got some vector candle up here at 80, 85, 86. Looking for 112. That's been a fast move. When this one's moved, it's moved pretty damn freaking fast. From the lows, this one's up about 3x from the lows. Excuse me. So that one still looks good. It's kind of like a bootleg little cup and handle pattern. It's kind of bootleg, to be honest, but nice retest. Retest of this, right? Of support. Continuation. Pretty standard there, I guess. Let's see. Ocean's been another one. Who's in Ocean? Who's got some Ocean? Ocean's been killing it. Hold on. Let me look at Fetch AI, because I know a lot of people are in Fetch AI now, because that's been one of the hot ones lately. I refuse to FOMO into this one, but I wish I did, honestly. Fetch AI. Dude, how can you gotta, at this point, you can't, if you're still a bear, right, and you keep saying zoom out, bro, there's multiple altcoins up 3 to 4x, Fetch AI up 6x from the lows. If you've been bullish basically since November, you probably made more money than the bears did on the way down. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? The way up, it's up 424%. Same thing from the high to the lows, you're looking at 90%. It is what it is at this point. You can't argue. But Fetch AI, this one just keeps nailing it. Got a little pullback the last 2 days, but is it really a pullback? Once again, I don't know. Let's see. Like, what's a pullback? You know, what do we consider a pullback? Nice little retrace of the 50 EMA. Just the same trend. I mean, it is starting to lose a little bit of momentum at resistance here, but I still think this one tags the highs one more time. I think it comes up and tags the highs at the very, very least. You got your one little hit, your second hit, your third hit. I still think this one comes up. It's either going to tag the highs and that it's going to hit resistance and then it's going to get an actual pullback, or it's just going to continue up. But I tag off the 50 EMA for the first time in the entire uptrend. Hasn't even came back down to that since January 1st. And you tagged it, you get an instant reaction off of it. I don't see why this doesn't at least come and tag the highs again. Does it break it? It's a tough resistance point, but Fetch AI, just continue to be bullish, man. You know? I'm extremely bullish on Everrise. Everrise. Nice. Imagine still being bearish right now. Imagine just looking at all these altcoins pumping. You're just like, still a scam pump. This is a scam pump, bro. I refuse to change my bias and just play the upside for a little bit. This is still bearish. I refuse to go long on anything, even though that's been the move for the last month. I'm still bearish, bro. No longs, only shorts. This is a bear market. Only freaking short plays. Bear market, right, man? Yeah, this is totally a bear market. This is definitely fake. This is a manipulated pump. I refuse to buy any of these pumps. It causes the bear market. It caused. This could never work. We have a recession coming on without. Why would I long any altcoin? Oh. Good times, man. Good times. Good times. It's okay to switch your bias. If you're still a bear in the long term, you can still be a bull in the short term. That's a lot of people forget. You know what I mean? A lot of people forget that. It's okay. It's okay. But people get so caught up in being just attached to what it's like their brand is being a bear, so they can't just be short-term bullish because you're so attached to the one thing. You know? It's okay. You can be bearish this month and be bullish next month. It's okay. Play the trend. Play the trend. Anyways. Let's see what we got. Near's popping up again. Near's been a freaking animal. Near has just been, man, I mean, this one hasn't been below the 30 EMA. I guess the 50. This one hasn't been below the 4-hour 50 EMA since the beginning of the year, January 1st. Just continues to kill it. Came back down, tapped the lows. Now coming back up again. This is the 4-hour time frame. Still not too shabby. 1 hour, look at the tap of the 50 EMA and just instant reaction off that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. 1 hour still pointing, plenty of room. I don't know, man. Bitcoin just kind of slowly, like, just crabbing its way back up to the highs here. Slowly but surely. Same thing on ETH. ETH just slowly crabbing back up. It's allowing some altcoins to do some juicy shit, though. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Let's see. Fetch AI. Giordano Inu. What's your take on Elrond? Didn't Elrond change their name to something else? I don't ever like the rebranding shit. It tells me that that maybe not hiding something. It tells me that they weren't confident in their previous name. It's all. I'm spreading fun. I'm spreading fun on Elrond. How high can Axie go tonight? Ah, man. I mean, Axie, dude, it pumped 100%. You know what I mean? Like, would I be long in something that pumped 100%? Maybe on a quick scalp trade, but I'm not going to be putting, you know, spot position on Axie after it pumped 100% in a day. You know, you could. People are doing it. That's why it's going up 100% in a day. But just be careful. This is the time where you got to be a little bit careful. Guys, CZ knows what he's talking about. Don't be horse guy. Okay? And this is what we were talking about in a lot of the bear market, right? Is eventually you're going to get to that point. What's the point? Okay? Basically, you're going to be horse guy at some point. Bullshit! I own no crypto. But I own no crypto. I was waiting for 14K and everything is pumping. But also, everyone's telling me to wait for a pullback. But there is also no pullbacks. What am I supposed to do? I either FOMO or I don't. I FOMO or I don't. There's nothing that I can do. I have to FOMO. If I FOMO, I'll miss out. But if I FOMO, it'll dump. Of course, that's what happens every time. I FOMO, it dumps. I don't FOMO, it pumps. That happens every time. This is what we talked about. You never want to be in that position because it feels like shit. When you see the market pumping up and you got altcoins popping off the ringer and you're all on the sidelines, there is no worse pain. It is worse, in my opinion, it's worse to be owning crypto and the price going down than you not owning crypto and seeing the market ripping to the upside. There is no worse feeling than that. There is none. Because you're just kicking yourself because you're being so greedy to the downside. You know what I mean? You're being so greedy. It's the opposite of FOMO. It's like DOMO. It's like DOMO, right? Or fear of missing. I don't know. I don't know. DOMO. It's the opposite, right? The new Moon Boys are the Doom Boys. You know what I mean? A Moon Boy isn't even a thing anymore at this point. Okay? In my opinion, if Bitcoin's at 15K, 16K, and you're being a Moon Boy, that's actually the right thing. That's what you should be doing. That's the time to be a Moon Boy, not at the highs. And the time to be a Doom Boy is at the highs, not at the lows. You know what I mean? It's like shit. We always fall for the same thing over and over again. That's the position you don't want to be in. And now, once again, do I ever recommend FOMOing? No. I would never. I don't FOMO myself. If I missed out on something but I like it, it is what it is. On to the next one. There's always another coin. But it's tough. If you're fully on the sidelines right now, you're feeling it. You are. I know you are too. You might not be saying that you are, but I know you are. You are feeling it. You're feeling it very, very hard. And we talked about it in the bear market. There's going to become a point where the market's just going to be ripping to the upside, right? And you're going to be waiting for a pullback, and it just doesn't pull back. There you go. And you guys, everyone says I'm stupid when I say that. It's true. You know what I mean? But no one ever thinks about it until it happens. You don't get a plan. What if the market just pumps from here? What's your plan? You're on cash. What's your plan? You don't got one. That's the point. All right. Missing all profits. There we go. Missing the moppers. The moppers. It's the opposite of the FOMOers. Pure KDA's in the house tonight. KDA's in the house tonight. Oh, look at GMT. Oh my lord. Woohoo! Let's go, baby. Let's freaking get busy. Let's go. Let's freaking get busy. 50% green candle. I love it. I'll take that all day. I don't know how many people own this. But that's a nice pump for this. Congrats. This one's been moving like a crazy. This one's been a nice one to trade. Because this one, it'll go sideways, but then all of a sudden it'll have like a 20% day out of nowhere. So, good shit, good shit, good shit. 60 cents, baby. Let's go. Let's see. Chainlink's been... I like that Chainlink's been quiet. I don't like it because I own... Chainlink's like my number 4 holding. But at the same point, I like that Chainlink's quiet because when we know what Chainlink's like the devil. When Chainlink pumps a lot, that's the signal to the whales, right? Well, you guys know what it is. Whenever Chainlink pumps a lot, okay, and this is why this run has been so good, because Chainlink hasn't been outperforming the market. Guys, when we see Chainlink outperforming the market, be careful of the whale dumping crypto, okay? We haven't seen it yet, but we're still paying attention to Chainlink. Chainlink. Nice, man. But yeah, Chainlink 780. It's been kind of a slow mover, but I don't mind it. 780 for Chainlink, I think is coming pretty reasonable there. You finally just broke out of this. I mean, this isn't really a pattern. It's more just like a consolidation, right? You get your highs, lows. You finally just broke out. Nice. So 780. 780 on chain of the link. The link. Be careful of the link. Jordan, do the Cadena. All you guys want Cadena. We got like a bunch of birds. You guys are a bunch of seagulls. Hold on. All I see in the chat is just a bunch of seagulls asking for Cadena. Hold on. Where's the seagulls at? Hold on. I gotta get the seagulls in this pitch. By the way, guys, I don't know how many likes we got tonight. I don't know how many people are in here tonight. But appreciate for everyone that's new in the stream. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We're here every single night. But I am going on vacation next week, by the way. I'm actually kind of salty because I wish I went on vacation when the market was doing anything. But hey, it is what it is. I'll be enjoying the charts away from you guys on vacation here. But no, you guys sound like a bunch of seagulls, bro. You know. Jordan, can you do Cadena? Can you do Cadena? Cadena. Cadena. Oh, a potato chip. Oh. A bunch of seagulls on Cadena. All right, let's do Cadena. Cadena, baby. Oh Lord. Cadena, look at that buy up on Cadena. You got a big rip down. When Bitcoin had that dip, you ripped right back down to the 30 EMA, right back down to this previous support level, and you just ripped right back up. That was pretty nice. That was pretty freaking nice. But no, Cadena, I mean, look at this. Whoever you want to look at this, right? You guys are looking at this like this. You got your low. It's a beautiful W formation. You back tested the W. Now you got your continuation. Okay, classic W bottom, pretty straightforward. But you also had this, like, if you guys like patterns, I mean, yeah. You guys like to troll. Oh, but Jordan, I'll tell you don't like patterns, bro. I like patterns when it supports. I'm just kidding. But no, you got your cup, you got your handle. You did get the cup and handle breakout. As much as I think it's a meme pattern, it is. You can find a cup and handle on any chart. But low to high, you know, that does put you back up to the previous, right up to the previous lows. Cadena's coming to here. Cadena's coming right here, which is the measure move, which is the previous swing lows of this big consolidation up here. And you still got this daily wick right at that same level. So much confluence right there at 147-ish. So Cadena's looking juicy. You know, Cadena was one of them that got sold off pretty hard with the FTX stuff. But those are the coins been pumping, right? Sol's been going nuts. Near's been going nuts, right? AVAX, Cadena, Algo. A lot of these ones that got sold off heavy because the FTX dump, those ones are coming back strong. Strong and hard. Strong like boo.
Will you bring your girlfriend on stream once? Yummy thing.
She did come on once. She's a little shy. I'll ask her. She's probably going to say no. Maj, will you come on stream once?
Yes, not today.
She said, yeah. She said, yes, not today. Maybe a different day. We'll plan a day, okay, where she feels confident coming up. She's a little shy, though. She loves crypto right now. She's probably trading. She might be in a gala long. I don't know. Something like that. Gala? Oh, Gala's pumping again? Dude, Gala's always pumping, man. We said Gala finally was getting a little momentum here. See, the Galas came up to this level a couple times. Can we get the follow-through on this attempt? Can we get the follow-through? I mean, you can call this a little left shoulder head, right shoulder, whatever. But can you get the follow-through on little old Gala? Come on, Bitcoin's being a little bitch, huh? Oh, my Lord. I know altcoins are flying, so we don't care about Bitcoin right now. When Bitcoin goes sideways, that's when we get some altcoin pumps. Sometimes the Bitcoin sideways is actually better, to be honest. But, you're seeing some altcoin pumps. What's the DXY doing so far? Let me just check that, because I know it was moving down quick. Oh, my God. The DXY is getting annihilated after hours right now. Holy shit. Look at the DXY, bro. Look at the DXY going into tomorrow. It's almost back down at the lows. Let's freaking go, baby. I think we need to pump up I think we need to dump the DXY right now, friends. Let's go. I need everyone to put the fire emoji in the chat. We are going to burn the US dollar to the ground. We were going to burn. It sounds so weird being from the US. We're going to burn our own currency to the ground. Let's burn the US dollar. Pump the euro. Pump the British pound. Pump the Japanese yen. Let's freaking go. Let's dump that shit. Spam the fire emojis in the chat. Let's burn all this USD, baby. Let's go. Good stuff. Some good stuff. Bitcoin pumping. Oh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin.
AVAX, please, brother, I love you. Don't bring you. You're so funny. Why?
Let's freaking go, man. Can we get Bitcoin to get some move? Come on, BTC. Give us a little something, something. Give us a little something, something. ES. Come on, stock market futures. If you were looking good too, we got the whole scenario popping right now. Come on, you stupid stock market. All we need is you breaking out, you little bitch. Oh man. All right, here comes Gala. Come on, Gala. Oh, here it comes, baby. Oh, it's at the Haas. Come on, Gala. I think we know what we need right now, guys.
Check INV.
We know what we need.
It's getting ready.
We know we need to pump Gala right now. We know what we need. Here we go. Here we go. Enough of this shit. Actually, we need this one. Enough of this shit. We've been playing around for too much today. It's time. Enough of this bullshit. Let's go. I'll be back, guys. All right. Let's go. All right, let's go. Moon helmet time, baby. You know what it means when we put on the moon helmet. It's time, baby. It's freaking time. Altcoins. Nears. Let's see. Ocean looks good on the 4-hour here. I like Ocean. I like Ocean. Oh, look at the reclaim for Ocean. This is beautiful, right? Ocean still got this vector candle up here. Ocean, look at that perfect reclaim. Look at the deviation, bruh. The deviation, bruh. Bruh, look at the deviation.
Bruh.
You got the lows, You got the deviation of the lows, break back in, back above the 30 and 50 EMAs with liquidity to the upside. Oh man, this would be a sometimes I wish I wasn't streaming because I always see the best setups when I'm streaming. It seems like the market always wants to pump it up when I'm streaming. Lately, all day it doesn't do shit, and then when I start streaming, it starts moving. But yeah, look at that beautiful reclaim ocean. Probably coming up for that vector candle right there, man. That's a nice one. That's a nice little deviation, bro.
Bruh.
Bro, I swear these altcoins names are just something else. They are kind of something else, huh? They are. They really, really are. All right, Gala finding a little bit of resistance. Let's see. We got some other stuff. Optimism. Optimism, another interesting one, right? Optimism also with the deviation, bro. Right? You got the lows. You got the deviation. You got the lows retaken. Optimism. Optimism has been my favorite coin to trade in the last month. Because it's one of those that it goes sideways on the accumulations and then it just absolutely rips when it pumps. So Optimism ain't too shabby right here. You got a little fake out below the 50, came right back up. Boop. Optimism, not too shabby. I want to see it break the 30 EMA here, though. That'd be even more juicy. Bitcoin kind of being a little bitch right here, though. It's kind of pissing me off a little bit. Jordan, you should make a new cryptocurrency rap song soon. Bro, you think I can rap? you got a fatter chance of seeing Santa Claus than me rapping, man. You know, we'll stick to Bob rapping. You know what I mean? Need more pickle juice? We do need more pickle juice. Dion said it's dumping. I don't really see anything dumping right now, my friend. I don't really see anything dumping. We're all in the green. We're all in the green. Hold on, let me see if you guys said in the super chats. Guys, I didn't forget. Are we back to that season now? I appreciate the super chats. Those are freaking awesome. You guys are the best. But as always, I'm going to troll you right now. But it's not because I don't love you, okay? I love you. I love you guys, okay? But, oh my God, Jordan's skipping my super chat, bro. Oh my God, I said a super chat 2 minutes ago. 2 minutes ago, and I was skipped. Oh, man. Jordan's getting hyped on stream. He didn't even see my super chat. What the frick the hell, man? I'm trolling. Look at GMT. Come on, boy. Let's freaking go. No, let me see. Crypto Menson said, check INV, big dog. You just call me big dog? I love it. I have to be bullish on that. I have to be bullish on you now. INV. I just got called big dog. This is the first time in my life I've ever been called big dog.
Rant alert.
Holy shit. I feel like a big dog now. Holy crap. I feel like a big dog somehow. Inverse Finance. INV. I mean, this one's been pretty straightforward too, right? It's been retrace to the 50, retrace to the 50, retrace to the 50, retrace to the 50, retrace. Slowly starting to get that sort of, parabolic curve almost to it here. On the shorter term time frames, obviously. But right now on the daily, you're probably hitting your head against... Ooh, you actually got a nice reclaim. This one, see this one? Previous daily lows. Now you were able to get back above, and now you're finding support again, right? So it's kind of like the Bitcoin chart where you had the lows, you had the FTX dump, big deviation lows. You're able to get back up, reclaim. If you hold this as support now, okay, this level here, that could be a nice little ride. Nice little ride. Assuming the market stays the way it is now, which I don't see the reason why it wouldn't up until at least February 2nd, which is the FOMC meeting. But you got a nice little juicy vector candle up there at 78.80.
Big dog, you skipped my super
You know?
chat.
Big dog. Oh, we got the zoom outers coming in. We got the zoom outers. Where's the zoom outers, man? Where's the zoom out? Where is the... All of a sudden, the bears are gone.
This for Jabba, so he can go short.
Where's all the bears in the chat? Did everyone FOMO? Is everyone a bull now? Is anyone out there still Is anyone out there still trying to short every single pump? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Who's out there shorting every pump? Let me know in the chat. I don't know. I don't see the trolls anymore. I don't know if that's a bad sign. I like when there's trolls in the chat. I don't know, man. I don't freaking know. It's a little bit shady. Oh! Gala, send me to the promised land. Send me to the promised land. And we... all right. Oh, we got Mike Aga. We got Capo. Crypto Capo. Crypto Capo. Oh, God damn, that guy Crypto Capo on Twitter, man.
Rant alert.
That, you guys understand. That guy Crypto Capo on Twitter. And listen, a lot of us were bullish at the highs. Everyone's jerking him off. Oh, he's been so right. He's been so right. Oh, you gotta understand, guys. He is what that guy does. He caters to the sentiment. When the markets were high, he was a moon boy, just like all of us. Okay. Now the markets are low. He's a doomer. That gets the likes. What gets the likes? If the market's bearish, you be bearish. If the market's bullish, you be bullish. It's easy. You unlock the code. You unlocked the code to likes. Do what everyone wants. A month ago, everyone wanted the price to go lower. You know what I mean? It's facts. You can see it in the prices of everything, right? It is what it is. That guy freaking Crypto Capo, man. He's another one that's just stuck in his bearish bias. He's going to keep laddering in his shorts, and he's going to get liquidated, and then he's going to flip bullish, and then the market's going to dump. You know, it's okay to be short-term bullish and be longer-term bearish. I will say it again.
Rant alert.
It's not, there's nothing wrong with being short-term bullish if you're a bear. And there's nothing wrong with being short-term bearish if you're a bull. You know what I'm saying? At some point, I'll probably get a little short-term bearish. I just don't see anything on the chart right now that makes me bearish. You know what I mean? At some point, though, I will say, okay, I think we're going to get a pullback here. I just don't see it. I still think Max Payne is up because most people are waiting for that pullback that has not come yet. It's going to come when everyone says, fuck it, I'm FOMOing. That's when it's going to come. And I don't think that's now. I don't think that's yet. Big Dog. Oh, Crypto Menson said the monthly on INV. Oh, monthly on INV. Okay, I'll check it real quick, my man. I'll check it real quick. Right? Real quick, Big Dog. Let's see. The monthly. Yeah. I want to get a monthly bullish engulfing here. Right? Above 53.90 in the next 8 days. I don't think that's terribly unreasonable. I'd love to get a nice bullish engulfing there. But, yeah. Not too shabby a move on the monthly, man. Oh, man. Crow Psycho Pro.
WWG, can you zoom out on the monthly for INV? That's what I was looking at in terms of explosiveness.
Crow? Crow gives me PTSD, my man. Don't mention Crow.
Crow a good play? Hasn't moved at all.
Don't mention Crow. That gives me PTSD. Oh, man. Crow is like... In whenever the next this true bull cycle happens, Crow is like the new XRP for me. I've forgiven XRP. Okay, me and XRP are boys. You know what I mean? But Crow, this doesn't sit right with me. I will never trade Crow. I will never buy Crow. Not because I think it's like horrible, but because I am so salty on Crow, man. Like I honestly, I'm okay. When I'm salty about something, I will say it. I have forever to this day, I will forever be so salty on Crow. If you guys were here, I sold Crow in 2021 right before it went on the stadium and did a 20x. Okay, I just want to put that out there for you. The day before Crow went on the stadium, I sold it. So for this day, I will always be salty, but it's okay because we will come back. And we will find a new coin to be salty about probably 4 years from now. All right, anyways. Let me just pour a little salt on myself because I'm still salty about it. Salt. Okay, there we go. That's enough salt. Yeah, it's too salty for me. Thank you. Okay. Crow. Let's zoom in a little bit on Crow. Do I think Crow's? I mean, honestly, I like Crow's chart. The reason why there's still Crow is a very easy way to see there's a lot of inequality in the chart, right? You got one vector candle, you got two vector candles, haven't been taken to the daily upside. I still think there's a high chance you come and see the inefficiency in the chart, right? Fast move down. You haven't come back up and retaken that, that inefficiency in the chart. So Crow, I mean, I don't see why it doesn't come up to these highs at the very, very least. After that, we'll reassess. You might get a little pullback there. But, if we zoom in even a little bit, you're probably going to be coiling up. Let's see. Yeah, you're just kind of chilling. Just a little accumulation structure, right? You had almost a deviation. You had basically your highs. You drop below, got back above. Now you're flipping that to support now. So it's almost like a little mini deviation right here. And then a flip back, So Crow actually has one of the better daily charts in my opinion. It's just, I can't do it to myself and buy Crow. It's ridiculous at this point. I'm still holding Crow though. I'll make it back in 2021. Nice. That's my fault. Oh, it's totally my fault. It's totally my fault. But I blame Crow. I blame Crow for not pumping one day earlier. That's why. Let's see. Seems like Bitcoin and ETH are kind of just chilling right now. Altcoins still kind of just chilling. You got some that are moving up. Ocean continues to kill it. Near continues to kill it. It's really the same ones that just continue to rock it here. Still like Optimism, AVAX. AVAX getting a nice bounce back in the 4 hour. They all look pretty juicy, man. They all look pretty juicy. Let's chill for a little bit. We've been talking all coins like a freaking madman here. Bitcoin's still finding resistance at the 30 EMA. I want to see this broken. The rejection here is a little bit sus. I guess I wouldn't say it's like the end all be all. Like, oh my God, this is so sus. This is so sus. We're gonna dump all the way back down to the lows. But I would love to see this reclaimed. Let me see the 4 hour. Look at that 4 hour wick. Look at that 4 hour wick buyback. Boop. Bought right back up. It's pretty beautiful. The one thing I will say about Bitcoin though, like your 4 hour stock RSI is about to get, another 4 hour candle or two. This one's going to be bottomed out. That's what I like. And the 1 hour is still pointing up. So you got some nice sort of refreshing momentum going into tomorrow, which is really, really nice. DXY still sitting at the same spot, right at support. And the S&P looking to get a little bit of a bounce back going into tomorrow, my friends. A little bit of a bounce back. Phil Who said AVAX. I see AVAX right now. Don't worry, I see AVAX.
AVAX.
Let me see. Stranger said this for Jabba so he can short. Okay. What should Jabba short? Hey guys, it's Jabba. I need help. I was blindly following Savvy, and I was laddering in my shorts from 17K. Crypto Capo said 10K isn't coming right now. And I noticed that stop losses. I'm broke. If I didn't live in my mom's house, I wouldn't have any money for rent. I'm completely broke. Can anyone help? I need money for Chinese food. I'm a fat guy. I'm hungry. Oh, man. No, Java doesn't need help. Java needs to stop shorting for a little bit. Don't help Java. Don't help Java. He doesn't need any help. He's done. He's done for. He's literally done for. I honestly, I pass his room, and this is what I hear when I pass his room. I'm like, Jabba, you okay? And he's just, I don't know what's going on in there. He's just shorted, you know? And for everyone that keeps trying to short, I'm sorry, guys. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, you've gotten every single one wrong on the way up, you know? And, you know, one day you'll be right again. One day. And I really hope it's soon, because you guys deserve a win, you know? You guys deserve a win. Just one, though. And I hope it's on some random shitcoin that I don't care about. And not BTC. Okay? Thank you. Thank you.
I'm going 13x long with $3,000.
You're going 13x long with 3K? Phil, why 13x? Why 13's my lucky number. I like 13. I like 13. Don't get me wrong. Why 13x with 3K? You know what I mean? That is very random. Why right here? You know? I guess. I mean, whatever you want to do. You got to tell you not to do it. Bitcoin dominance. Man, what do you guys think? You think this is where Bitcoin dominance gets a cool down? I think that if we continue to see the DXY come down and the S&P can at least go sideways this week, I think this week could be a little bit of a reclaim for alts. So Bitcoin's been smashing since about December 1st. Bitcoin's been smashing altcoins, right? As far as how far it's gone up. Now, obviously, there's some altcoins that outperformed, but on average, Bitcoin's been outpacing altcoins. I think this could be a little bit of a cool down phase for Bitcoin. And you could maybe see some altcoins start to take the head here. Or even Ethereum is the biggest mover in that. But you're basically back to this little peak from March and this little peak from July.
Should do it or not?
And this is where you've gotten a little bit of resistance twice, actually 3 times back here. So this could be a point where the Bitcoin dominance starts to come maybe back down a little bit like this. Maybe altcoins have a good week, and then Bitcoin continues the ride. But let's see, right? Bitcoin dominance, obviously a big talking point. Do I think it's that necessary? No. I mean, okay, Bitcoin dominance has gone up, but if you've invested in the right altcoins, a lot of them have outpaced Bitcoins. Bitcoin dominance really is so stupid, man. I see some people like, all right, I gotta do it. Hold on, I gotta do it. Because I see people talking about Bitcoin dominance like it's the end all be all. Like, guys, we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin dominance and how it's gonna go back to 50%. Okay? If you enjoyed today's content, smash up the like button. Now let's jump on in. Okay, you guys can right now see Bitcoin dominance is going up. That means Bitcoin is outpacing altcoins, even though if you invested in any smart altcoin, they've outpaced Bitcoin. Okay? If you've invested in Gala or Optimism or I don't know, really any coin that's been going up a lot, you've outpaced Bitcoin. But yet Bitcoin dominance is very, very important metric, guys. Very, very important metric. I think we should take an eye on, even though most altcoins have outpaced Bitcoin since the lows. Okay, but I will harp on the fact that Bitcoin dominance is going up, even though it doesn't really freaking matter. Okay, that's all I have to say. Bye. Who gives a shit about the Bitcoin dominance, man? Holy Lord. No, in all seriousness, I'm being a little dramatic. I'm being a little dramatic, guys. Don't take it seriously. I know some of you fanboys will get pissed off. If you've invested in any high cap alt, it's outpaced Bitcoin, right? AVAX up 70% from the lows, right? Let's see. Chainlink, maybe not. Chainlink hasn't. Let's see. DOT. Has DOT done it? Let's see. DOT up about 50%. It's more than Bitcoin, right? XRP is a shit show. I mean, XRP. I mean, if XRP is still your number one holding, rip. Matic from the lows up about 40%, same as Bitcoin. I mean, It doesn't really matter, man. You're gonna be invested in anything. It's up. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Scams pump the hardest. You think? Yeah, actually, Matic's been kind of a lagger here. But what I'll say about Matic though is it has a lot of air here. I do think on the next move up, Matic's going to be going nuts because if you notice the last time it got back above this, it had a big sharp move up and a sharp move down. There's really not much in between here, right? This high and this previous high. So I do think on the next leg, Matic will see a nice move up to 130, which is my target there. Just been taking a little bit longer to get up there, honestly. But still think you see 130 Matic, and I do think this is the point where Matic will get that move up. It's been kind of struggling with this little range here for a little bit, you know? You know what I'm saying? I had an egg once. Nice bathwater. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, man. The magnet ain't strong enough? Well, I think we need 2 magnets. Let's put 2 magnets on the screen. That's what we need. We need 2 magnets. Let's see. Let's put magnet 1, magnet 2. There we go. All right, we got 2 magnets. It's time for Matic, baby. It's time for Matic to get that pump. And dude, it's been so long. Matic, it's your time, bro. Come on, Matic. We need you, baby. We need you. I think everyone owns a little bit of Matic. Come on. That song got to get you pumped, though. No, but guys, what's the number one lesson I've learned?
Rant alert.
If you're mad at Matic for not moving, if you switch Matic to something else that's moving, as soon as you do it, you know exactly what's going to happen. You know it, right? As soon as you do it. Someone else could do it, it won't happen. But if you do it, if you own a big Matic and you're mad that Matic's not moving, I'm going to switch my Matic to Gala, right? As soon as you do that, okay, Matic is gonna moon. It happens every single damn time. It's not just Matic. It's a lot of these ones that haven't really moved in a while. What's another good example? Litecoin's been kind of chilling for about a week now. Litecoin's been kind of chilling. Litecoin, I think these other ones will catch up a little bit, even though Litecoin's already up more than most of other things. Litecoin's up about 2.5x from the lows. 96 is still there. Like Litecoin 96 to $100 there. It's gonna get up. It's gonna get up there. I think Litecoin, Matic, these ones that have been kind of going sideways, I do think are gonna be the ones that get a nice move up on this next leg. It's just it's a matter of patience with those ones, because I know firsthand, as soon as I switch from it to something else, that it's gonna move. It's happened so many damn times. That's why if I believe in a project, I own it. I don't switch it to something else, because as soon as I do, I'm gonna get effed in the ass. Okay, I'm literally gonna get effed in the freaking ass with that green candle from that coin. You know, I think everyone knows this. If I buy any altcoin, you guys are gonna get wrecked. Wayne, what altcoin are you trying to get, man? No, Wayne, stick to Bitcoin, man. Wayne is the Bitcoin god of the chat. Okay, who's the altcoin god? I don't know. Guys, who's the altcoin god of the chat? I think Wayne's like the papa of Bitcoin, right? Wayne's like that doomer who tells you guys altcoins are trash, just own Bitcoin. Now, I always think you should own some Bitcoin for regulatory reasons, things like that. But who is the captain of altcoins in the chat? Or I'm Captain Ethereum. We already know I'm Captain Ethereum. I call Captain ETH. I don't know who is. Let's see. Bro, zoom out, you zoomer. David, zoom out, you zoomer. Clint's the god of altcoins? Is he? I don't know if Clint's the god of altcoins. I think Clint likes BTC, ETH, and Doge. I think Clint's like Elon Musk. He likes BTC, ETH, and Doge. I think that's the ones that Clint likes. Let's see. I always get screwed when I switch coins. You would think I learned my lesson. Yeah, I mean, I guess the thing I learned with crypto is the less you try to switch out with stuff, the better actually it ends up working out for you. Mecat. It's Becker the Pecker. Oh man, Bitcoin finding a little resistance at the 30 EMA. ETH. He's kind of just chilling. ETH is chilling, which is okay. It's okay. We got to give ETH a little bit of a cool down phase. You know what I'm saying, guys? You know what I'm saying? All right. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything here, guys. Is it bad? Should do it or not? 13x long with 3K? I mean, you're sort of doing that right resistance, man. You know? Time to go long is at red candles on the lows. Short, resistance. Long, support. You're kind of just in the middle right now. So you kind of just, right here, you're kind of just picking red or black, you know? You're kind of playing roulette. You know what I'm saying? Like if you were in the casino right now playing roulette, put black, red. You probably have a better chance of staying in the short-term direction. But, you know, give yourself an edge. Quit dumping. Going to 20K by the dip. Not the deal. Not the deal. Money flow doesn't look too good on BTC. On yeah, you got some bearish div on the daily. It's just I will say that I have seen so many. I know Bitcoin. You zoom out. Okay, when I see a chart like this, right? I've seen so many times where everyone looks at the chart like this. Everyone says, "Okay, you got bearish divergence on the daily." You do, right? You do. I've seen so many times where you have a chart like this, and everyone shorts because okay, it's so obvious, man. You got bearish div on the daily, right? It's gone up so much, it has to come down. And it's sort of the same saying that people were saying right here, you know. That's my take. I don't short in an uptrend, and I don't long in a hard downtrend, right? So basically, if I bring up like the 4-hour chart, okay, and if Bitcoin's above the 4-hour 50 EMA, I'm not shorting. If it's below it, I'm not longing, right? That's just what I do. It keeps me from fighting the trend. You know, the trend is still up. Yeah, and I always say if you've tried to swing short this whole way up, you've lost every single one. If you've tried a swing long the whole way up at good levels, you've been successful every single time. Obviously, sometimes you get stopped out because Bitcoin has a big scam wick or whatever. But you get the point. That's the way I'm looking at it. Like, if Bitcoin starts to come and starts closing daily 4-hour candles, you know, below the 50 EMA, which right now is 21,500. Okay, then I'm probably gonna be like, this one's looking a little shady, man. You know, but anything above here, this is the dip for ants. For ants. You know. Horse guy covers all the numbers on roulette, so that I could win every game. Nice. That is true. That definitely is true. That is true. All right, guys. Bitcoin's going sideways. I'm going to call it a stream. It's been a nice, solid 2-hour stream tonight. I'm going to call it a stream here, my friends. I will be back tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe if you're new. I think we need some juice for Bitcoin for tonight, my friends. Right? DXY looking a little bit red into tomorrow. S&P also looking a little red. We'll see. We'll see. I love when the market opens because you're going to see some volatility on Monday morning. You always see volatility on Monday morning. So be prepared for either direction. I'm out. Peace, love, And don't do anything on do. Don't panic, study crypto. Most of all, don't panic, study crypto. But don't be afraid to take profits in the bear market rallies until proven otherwise. Which I would say we're almost. I would say I'm almost ready to get rid of that last part, but not quite yet. Not quite yet. It's always smart to take profits. Anyways, peace out. Later. Adios. Catch you guys later. And while we go, we'll get a little bit of funkiness going on in here. Let's freaking go, baby. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Peace.